What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl and I'm back with another video. Today I'm about to share with you Ayurvedic hair mask that is prepared just for your natural 4C hair with intention to moisturize your hair, to hydrate, to restore all hair that was damaged, stagnant and all type of stubbornness. Kapama, your DIY girl. Be sure to subscribe, click the red button, the one that says subscribe, and to get to join the family. Of course, be sure to also slap that red button, the one says subscribe, and in front of it there's a notification bell. Click that as well so get notified every time I do post a video. Be sure to subscribe, guys, and if you want to have fun with me, let's catch up on the gram. I use Nandi KP. All details are down in the description box. To prepare this paste, we are going to use okra water. You guys, I've been talking of okra water in my channel for a long time, but if you're new, don't worry. In the cards I'm attaching how you can also prepare your own okra water if you have not seen how it's been prepared before. But what you see right now, this is couple hours okra water or okra gel. This gel is very moisturizing. It's a perfect detangler for hair. So the minute you're dealing with your hair and you have okra gel or okra water in your mix, then you are on your way to avoid breakage, because it does not support breakage at all. And of course, next we have our Ayurvedic mix of herbs. Here it's a mixer of moringa powder, neem powder and henna powder. So I have 3 mix in this powder. So if you want to see how I prepare these dry herbs, I'm going to also to attach their link down in the description box and up in the cards. What I'm doing is mixing the okra water or the okra gel with my mix so I can have that slip factor that can help me apply smoothly the paste into my hair. Be sure to take your time whipping it, whisking it, because it's going to form lump, because it's kind of hard to mix it up. Whisk it until you have uniform mixture. If you like running type of paste, then be sure to add okra water so you can have that running paste for easy application, and whip it up until all the lumps are dissolved and form a uniform paste. Apart from that, if you're like me who like their paste thicker, then be my guest, go ahead and add extra more powder of this herb, and of course whip it until thickens to your desired consistency. Of course, how to use this paste, you're going to use it however you like. I suggest once every month or whenever you have time. Just make sure it's part of your routine in a long run. Don't just use this paste once and just leave it. For you to obtain results and to maintain that to reach the goal of your hair length or your hair thickness in terms of density and length retention, you have to do this paste on your hair at least once every month on your wash routine. Ayurvedic pastes are known to grow hair so fast and so much, but if you're going to use this once and leave it aside, then my friend, you are not going to see the desired results. Personally, I'm using this paste every month at least once. So these are steps that I may probably not even use, but I just bring them anyway, just for me to feel safer when I'm approaching my hair. I'm also adding my legendary mix of herbs in this oil. Then I'm adding just enough amount just for it to have that oiliness when I'm treating the hair. Mix it well, and then it is good to go to your hair. I advise you use this paste in section. Sectioning your hair will save you a lot of time, and of course it will help you manage your hair better. My hair, as you can see, my hair is super thick. And why is it very thick? Because I have been using this paste for months now, ever since I started this new hair growth journey, which I started last year. As you can see, my hair is not that lengthy because I just started my journey, but you can tell from the density of my hair. My hair is super thick, and that's actually the goal, to have my hair thicker, lengthier, and voluminous, and of course defined. As you can see, applying in section helps you coat every strand. You don't forget or leave behind any strand. So as I told you, when you use a thicker paste like mine, the messy that this paste bring is not that much, but as you can see, the particles just sit on top of it. So I'm going to show you exactly how this paste needs to be effective. So be sure to like this video, my friend. Just go ahead and click the like button, and of course let me know down in the comment if you ever tried any paste and what were your results, or if you're about to try what I'm just showing you right now. Let me know down in the comments. Dealing your hair with in sections, it's very important because it's going to save you breakage. As you can see, I just unraveled my hair and I have not detangled it, but the slip that the okra gel provides my hair definitely is giving in. It's not giving struggle or anything. The minute the okra touches the hair, my hair just gets hydrated, and of course the paste just sits on the hair.
Makes sense, not the ganga.
Go through the process section by section until you are done. Just be gentle, take your time, and of course you see the particles up, you see the paste that I'm using. If you're able to make your paste way more powdery than this, then that's very good, very excellent. This is the best I could get my paste, but these particles are going to be a struggle city to remove them out of my hair because the particles are thick and they're going to stick on the hair. But if you're going to use the same type of powder paste like the one I did, the one that stacks on your hair, I have a solution right in this video just at the end, how to remove those particles that tends to stick around. So be sure to watch this video to the very end and see how we deal with those particles that stays onto the hair.
Makes sense, not the ganga.
I'm really grateful for my hair, guys. This hair is giving me so much joy and so much, I don't know how to say it. The hair is growing the exactly way I wanted to grow. I wanted to have thick and voluminous hair, and if you're going to incorporate what I'm teaching you in this channel, you are also going to get the same results. Just be sure to be consistent. Consistency is key. Don't just do it once Pick a recipe, stick by it, and you will eventually see results. If you're picking the Ayurvedic paste, just have a routine, a solid routine that you stick by it. Okay, so segment by segment, section by section, until every hair is coated, every strand is coated, no hair left behind. After you have done applying your paste, now I want to show you what you can do with the okra gel.
Make sense, Nakti Ganga.
As you can see, my hair looks like the paste is just sitting on top of the hair. Now my hair is low porosity, it barely takes in anything, but since I know my hair loves water but takes time to absorb it, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my remaining okra jelly into my application. I'm going to apply that extra okra water or okra gel onto my hair. You see what I'm doing? So this process helps the paste spread to other hair, that helps the hair to be more moisturized and hair follicles to open up, so to absorb the herbs, and also the hair is getting hydration that it needs. As you can see, my hair is starting to get that definition. You see the definition? That's the work of okra gel. Now since the hair cannot absorb the heavy paste, since the okra water touches the hair, it dilutes the paste to a formula where the hair can actually absorb it. You see? So when you have done this process for the entire head, you need to, you see, everything is dispersed, not as before when just the particles were just sitting on the hair. Now this is uniform for the hair to absorb. Now to help the hair get the benefit of these herbs, what I'm going to do is wear this beautiful shower cap and sit under the heat cap for not less than 40 minutes. Just give your hair time to be in that heat so that hair follicles can open up and absorb everything. And of course this process is a whole mess, so be sure to wear something you don't really care about when doing this process. And disclaimer, you need to be careful because the entire process these particles can get into your eyes, and of course you don't want that to get into your eyes, so you need to be careful and take precautions. Once it have entered into your eyes, get clean water and rinse it out. I am going to sit under heat cap for at least 40 minutes. I just want the hair to soak in the herbs and to just absorb everything. And then after 40 minutes, I'll come and see you right here. Okay? So stay glued. Be sure to like this video. Of course, subscribe if you haven't and you've watched this long. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. It means the whole world to me, and I'll so much appreciate you. Now I have rinsed the paste, but look at the chunks that are still stuck on my hair. It is crazy. If you're going to ignore what I'm about to show you, you're going to be stuck with this stuff for a long time, for a very long time, and of course you don't want to do that. So what I'm doing is I'm going in with my conditioner. You can take a regular conditioner. I'm using a regular conditioner here. This is from Lori's, the hydration treatment. Just add that to your hair, and of course don't just go with an insane amount. It's gonna help a lot when it comes to removing these particles. Conditioner really helps to remove all the chunks that stays in the hair. And of course, another benefits of a conditioner on your hair, it's going to add more hydration because you are from having the paste and the oil. So adding in hydration, you're just balancing everything out, and your hair is going to love it. After you finished applying the conditioner, be sure to sit under heat cap at least for some 10-20 minutes, then rinse it and ready to put in your protective style and seal in the moisture you just added to the hair. Like what you see, I so much appreciate you. Just be sure to click the like button, comment down below, and of course, if you haven't subscribed until now, just go ahead and subscribe, and I'll so much appreciate you. And of course, let me know what are your hair goals, your hair challenges, so I can prepare something that is going to help you propel, excel in your next hair routine. I love you guys. I'll see you in my social media accounts. If you check me, they're down in the description box. And until next time, I'll see you in my other videos. Be sure to click the videos up in the screen so we can get to catch up in my other videos. I love you and I so much appreciate you. Until next time, bye bye.